Hey, it is your favorite remote work enthusiast, Delilah. I am back with a hot new work from home opportunity for a company that is looking for immediate hires. They have their next training class coming up right around the corner, and this is a great opportunity because they offer paid training, paid time off, benefits, full-time hours are available, a lot of really good stuff that we will definitely dig into. But before we get into that, I just want to mention that in the description box below this video, there is a link that I want you to click on, and I want you to register because next Thursday, I am hosting a free live webinar training all about remote cover letters and remote resumes. These are two really key ingredients to getting hired in any online opportunity, and I want you to be in the number because I want everybody to learn and know about what they shouldn't do, and all the other stuff that we'll discuss about them. And then also, while you're at it, make sure you are subscribed to my YouTube channel and that you tap the notification bell so that you can be alerted as soon as I post. I post weekly work from home hot leads for companies that are hiring, as well as work from home information that I know you will love. All right, let's go ahead and jump in.
All right, let's go ahead and jump in. I am at the ABC Financial Lead for Remote Customer Service Representative. Now, this opportunity is starting very soon. They are hiring for their November 21st start date, and they're going to get you into paid training as soon as possible. So this opportunity pays $12 per hour. There are some bonus incentives that it lists, and they are hiring in the United States for specific states, and I will read those off right now. So they are hiring in Arkansas, Alabama, Florida, Georgia, Kansas, North Carolina, Oklahoma, Texas, and Virginia. These are the states that they will hire you in. So if you're not in one of those states, then this one isn't for you, and just stay tuned for the next one. So the job description says, since 1981, we have become partners with over 7,000 health clubs and positioned ourselves as the industry leader in software and payment processing solutions. Are you a customer service rock star who strives for excellence and shines in fast-paced environments? If so, we want to partner with you too. We're looking for you to be the voice of our company as a remote customer service rep at ABC. What you do every day will directly impact our clients and their members. So what you're going to be doing is you're going to be canceling and handling the billing information for fitness clubs. So it really made me think about, I had a fitness membership with LA Fitness, and you just call a number to cancel, or if you want to change something with your membership, and it sounds like kind of like that. So you're going to have to assist with inbound and outbound calls from fitness club members and staff regarding recurring payment issues and agreement questions, and you'll assist them with billing questions, cancellation, and or freezes of their member accounts. And so typical outbound calls include, but are not limited to, billing updates, providing cancellation or free services, resolving account delinquencies and disputes. It has some goals that you'll have to meet. So you'll need to reach or meet a minimum quality assurance goal of 90%, a minimum schedule adherence of 92%, and then maintain an average talk time of 315 seconds or less on member calls. And then it talks about why you'll want to join. So they have full-time set work schedules, and you get weekends off. That's amazing because you will be working Monday through Friday and your weekends are yours. It's 100% paid training with bonus structure. They have full benefits, and then they have a 401k with company matching. That is free money and you want to take advantage. And then it says competitive pay with added monthly incentives, paid time off, and then a refreshing culture and family atmosphere. So the job requirements, you have to have at least your high school diploma or a GED, and then a minimum of 1 year customer service experience, preferably in a call center setting, and then have experience with AS400, Microsoft Word, Excel, and Outlook. I have no clue what AS400 is, but if you have experience with Microsoft, Excel, and Outlook, then I'm sure you'll be fine. I'd still go ahead and apply. And then have a stable work history, take pride in punctuality and attendance, have a home office that is noise and distraction free, excellent communication skills, and then excellent listening skills and be able to multitask. And so it says you must be flexible to work an assigned work schedule anytime between the hours of 7 a.m. and 9 p.m. Central. And you'll want to adjust that for your time zone. But keep in mind, you will have a set schedule that they will discuss with you. So it's not going to change. You will know ahead of time, but these are just their operating hours. So you can just expect to have your schedule within those time frames, Monday through Friday. And then you'll need a hardwired high-speed internet connection. And then they get into some details about the speed that your internet needs to be. So if this sounds like a good opportunity to you, I thought this was really great because paid training, company 401k with matching, all that really good stuff, that is not something that's in all jobs. So if this sounds like a good fit for you, then just hit the apply now button and it will take you to the application process.
All right, there you have it. That is the hot work from home opportunity from ABC Financial, and the pay is $12 per hour, but they also mentioned that there are bonus incentives available. So you can potentially earn more than $12 per hour. So if this sounds like a good fit, definitely don't delay getting your applications in. The training is right around the corner. It starts in November, and you just want to make sure that you have your application sent in so that you have time to go through the hiring process. And then also, again, don't forget about the description box below. There's a link to the training that I'm hosting next Thursday, October 24th, and I really want you to be there. We're gonna learn a lot of really great stuff, and I know you're gonna walk away from the call having learned something that you didn't know before. So share this on your social media, be there next Thursday, and then I will talk to you all soon. Bye.
Hey, if you're still looking for work from home opportunities, then definitely head over to my website, remoteworklife.co. I've got all of the work from home jobs on my website. I have a mega list of jobs that has over 270 companies that hire remotely listed. You can search by the type of opportunity you're looking for, or you can use the preset search tabs and it'll go ahead and do the searching for you. You can also look at who's hiring currently. I have a now hiring section. I also have a work from home shop where you can pick up all of your office needs. And then if you're looking for something specific, you can go over to this drop down list, and I'm always adding specific list of jobs that you may be looking for. So there's no experience jobs, no phone jobs, night jobs, high paying jobs, all sorts of jobs. So head over to remoteworklife.co for all of your work from home needs. Talk soon.